Welcome back to Dad Deals. Your next parking lot sale over at Harbor Freight is going to kick off on Monday, June 1st for Inside Track Club members through Thursday, June 4th, and then everyone else can jump in on Friday, June 5th. So this is coming up quick. Now, this ad did leak a couple weeks ago. I posted it for everyone to take a look at. But now that we've all had a chance to digest it and we're already midway through May, let's take a look at this sale. And I'll point out deals that I like, deals that I don't like. But overall, I think this is a really good one. It kind of has a little bit of everything. We got Icon, Doyle, Bauer, Hercules even. And even the big surprise is the Grant's auto detailing products. But sit back, relax, and let's dive right into this ad. So here is your front page, and I'm going to skip right down here to the middle. These are your marquee deals, kind of the big percentages off different categories. And I think definitely the most popular deal is going to be this 35% off all Icon wrench sets. So obviously a ton of sets to choose from, pretty much any set that you can imagine Icon has. And that is going to be a very popular deal. So if you're after any of those wrench sets, you really probably need to be an Inside Track Club member and get there early Monday. But the sleeper deal in here is the 40% off all Grant's products. So Grant's, if you're not familiar, is their auto detailing products. So think car wash stuff, steam cleaners, microfiber cloths. And I've been a huge fan of this product line for a while. I think it's one of Harbor Freight's most underrated product lines. And I don't think I have ever seen a percentage off all of the items under the Grant's brand. So having 40% off is a huge discount. These are usually items that I mostly target during the everything $20 is 30% off sales that they often run. But here is 40% off everything. You're not limited to 5 items. But some of my favorites in here is the steam cleaner. I did a whole review on that, so go check out that video if you want to. They also have the Grant's detailing seat, which is a really low profile rolling seat, so you can really clean the bottom part of a car. Also has a bunch of different bins that detach from it. They even have that dirt trap that fits in the bottom of a 5-gallon bucket. They have foam cannons, and even check out this. This is a drill brush attachment set. So these will just attach to any drill that you have. And there's a lot of different scrubbing heads in this set. So there's a ton of stuff there. I will definitely be stocking up in this 40% off sale. So the next one is 30% off all of the Doyle tools and equipment. Doyle is a very underrated brand over at Harbor Freight, in my opinion. So 30% off is a really nice discount on all that stuff. They have everything from stubby screwdrivers to a lot of your woodworking measuring tools. And then you also have 30% off all of the Vulcan welding products. So those are really your 4 marquee deals there. They also have over here on the side, the Bauer Buy a Starter Kit for $100. That's going to get you the battery and charger. You can pick a free tool. So $100, battery, charger, and tool. That's a great deal. Glad to see that that is back under the Bauer brand. And while we're talking about it, I'm going to jump a few pages and I'm going to show you that Hercules is also offering a buy a battery, get a free tool deal for $120. You can get their battery charger and then choose from any of the tools that you see here. So it has been a while since we've seen a Hercules deal like that. So definitely great to see that back. All right, let's jump back to that front page. Up top here, we have just some bargain bin items. Nothing really catches my eye except maybe the 5mm gloves. These are 100 packs. They are 50% off. I have heard that it might be a good time to stock up on some gloves as they do use petroleum to make these. And we all know what's happening with gas prices and oil prices recently. But great to see that those are 50% off. They also have the step drill bits are always a good buy at 50% off. And then even some string lights over here. This is a pretty standard price that we see, but this is $18 for a 24-foot LED strand of either black or white string lights. All right, moving on down here to the bottom, you'll see that the 5-drawer mechanics cart is sub $200 again. That is really the magic price point to pick one of these things up. We have seen it as low as $190-ish. $199 is a pretty good price. So if you've been waiting for one of these, you want one, I would pull the trigger here and snag the 5-drawer cart in any of those colors at $200. You also have the mini steel toolboxes here. I think the fad has officially died. Pretty much every Harbor Freight that I've been in has a ton of stock on these, but they are just $15, which is pretty much one of the cheapest ones out of any of the brands that have these now. So if you want one, definitely grab one. These shop fans and pedestal fans at $120, I think that's a pretty normal price. I have seen them at that price for a while now, so that's nothing to write home about. Your Meme 2.0 tool down here, this is the Icon Compact Socket and Bit Set. A really nice set here is a nice 25% off at $60. So that's a decent buy. And then sort of rounding off this front page, I like the Bauer sander here. This is your random orbital sander at $20. That's 50% off. You also have some ratcheting tie downs at over 50% off at just $6. And your wobble socket extension set over here at $10 is a great buy as well. All right, here is page 2. We're going to start up here at the top. They have the Slim Bar Work Light from Braun. This is the 500 lumen rechargeable light at $20. And then they also have their US General magnetic socket holders in 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive from about $10 to $17. Even the 1/4 inch drive down here is 41% off. Those are all great deals. So if you want to organize your sockets, it's a great time to stock up on these. More US General cabinets here. I like the full bank here at $100 off, $500 for that 6-drawer service cart. And then if you really want to step things up, they have the triple bank roll cab here, $400 off at about $1,400. A bunch of your jacks are on sale from Pittsburgh. We have the 1.5 ton racing floor jack with the rapid pump is $80. Then they have just their 3-ton low profile floor jack at $100. Those are both great prices, especially that 3-ton right here. And then Daytona has their 3-ton floor jack at just $20 more at $120. Just isn't that low profile. And then we have the lighter duty Badland off-road jack at $230. This is the 1.5 ton version. You can also pair it with some 6-ton heavy duty ratcheting jack stands. We see this pretty much every single parking lot sale, so nothing too special there. Here's sort of your lone Quinn item. This is the 1/2 inch drive standard and metric master impact socket set. It's $130. That's pretty much the only Quinn item in this sale, unfortunately. You also have the Pittsburgh ramps here for $45. I've had these for a long time and they've never given me problems. It's definitely that summer season where you're going to be doing some road trips. And if you really need a heavy duty jump starter, check out this Viking 3400 peak amp professional jump starter and power pack. It's $280, but this thing, it can handle pretty much any vehicle that you will throw at it. Some other nice deals down here. I like the infrared thermometer for $13. This is great if you're into grilling, griddling, smoking, any outdoor food prep or indoor food prep. This thing comes in clutch. And I also like this portable tire inflator with the LED light at just $11. Obviously, this thing's not going to be the fastest inflator in the world, but at just $11, it might be able to save you in an emergency situation and just be nice to have. All right, moving on to page 3. We talked about that Hercules buy a battery, get a tool deal going on. They also have the surface conditioning tool down here at $100. That is a really nice tool to have. Some air compressors over here, nothing too crazy. I like these 4-inch clamps at just $1.50, and they can also be used as spreaders as well. A couple of the Bauer pressure washers are on sale. The 2000 PSI 1.3 gallons per minute electric pressure washer on the cart is $150. That's a great price. Then you have the portable version here, the 1800 PSI 1.2 gallons per minute is $75, and that's a great price as well, I think. I also love the polisher and sander here, random orbital at $35 is a good price. Some welding deals over here. I love these silver tarps that Harbor Freight sells. I think they're some of the best value. And here's your 11 foot by about 20 feet, and it is $17. That's a nice price. And then your Apache cases are 33% off for the medium size at $20, and then the small size is just $10. All right, now your back page here, you have the heat gun is $10. I think we'll look back in 10, 20 years, and this same heat gun will still be $10, but it's a great heat gun if you need one. These tilt bins are also pretty nice at just $1.50. They stack on top of each other. You can also hang them on the wall. Some nice generator deals right here from Predator. The Tri-Fuel 11,500 watt generator is $1,800. It's $400 off. Your 3,500 watt version here on the wheels is $650, which is a good price. They have the power station, the 350 watt power station. Now, I'm not a huge fan of these. I think you're much better off going with the brands EcoFlow, Blue Eddy, Anchor. There is no app control to these, even via Bluetooth, but this is on sale for $240. You also have your gas engine here at $110 and the auger, the gas-powered auger at $180. The very popular plate compactor here is $580. That rarely goes on sale. You have a cheap electric pole saw here. Now, this does have to have an extension cord to it, but it's just $48. Some nice deals on the Avanti paint sprayers. Your one on the cart is $200. That really keeps the heavy part down here on the ground, so you have the lightweight handle. And then you also have sort of the all-in-one. This is the one that I have, and I have the most experience with, and that is 50% off at $35. And then down here in the final bargain bin, the mini pick and hook set is under $1 at just 98 cents. You also have a 12-piece cushion grip screwdriver set here at $5.93. But that's your parking lot sale. Again, that kicks off on June 1st for ITC members. So it'll be here before you know it. And as always, if you found my video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.